nice long.
She's a competitor, huh? Coming out of the UST, that great UST junior program.
MVP.
Where everybody seems to be coming
Oo
from.
nga eh.
Liza Valdez and the others. That is in the air. Agno.
Great ball.
Iba ng FPU team ito, no?
Yes.
Well known Giselle C already. That's off the block. That'll count. Laure scores.
And even Kasugod, as we've mentioned nga ito si Remy Palma, has developed into a powerful hitter. Si Kasugod rin, being a new player for Coach Shaq, iba ang bilis din ng development.
I can see it here. Nung araw.
Yes.
Suddenly, wala na. Assassin na rin.
Oh, nice one. Nice combination play.
Pons on the firing end. You saw how she flew for that one. Watch this again, Mosi.
Kaya naman, alam mo, marami kahit sa mga kaibigan ko natutuwa dito kay Pons, kay Bernadette Pons, na kung paano yung brand of play niya.
And Shaq de los Santos tried to voice operate his FPU team. Ito na. De Makulangan with the set up. Oh, Laure!
But EJ Laure with a cross-court kill.
You know, she has the look of a competitor and a killer at the same time. Watch this.
And with only one blocker, it wasn't enough. And talagang totally evading the blocker of FEU.
Shakey's your fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. You're watching the Shakey's P-League here on GMA News TV. In the meantime, Pons got that to go. Despite the fact na medyo miss-hit. Hindi lang medyo. Miss-hit talaga.
At tumama pa sa net. Kaya naman na iba yung rhythm. Hindi na inabutan ng Nidusaran na libero ng UST.
Tutuwa ko din sa mukha ng player na papa ng FPU. Yung dinig niya kay Shaq. Los Santos talaga. Kainting. Ay, butas. Ay, nagkagulong choreography.
Agno, apologizing to Coach Shaq. Yan naman ang naging diferensya. Nung nagkaroon ng libero, halos lahat ngayon ng mga digs, mga reception, talagang dedicated to you. Diba?
So, parang
Dedicated
first
to the
ball talaga libero ball eh.
Expected to be hers.
Like in this case. At the top of the height of the ball, Palma knocking that down. It's 4-3 FEU.
You know why that is effective? Because si Palma, she gets it at the highest peak of the ball.
No question about it. In the meantime, Shaq is really coaching hard, huh? Coaching harder than his former team. In the meantime, that serve is an ace. Dawson connecting on the ace. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B-League. Many of the Ateneo fans still hanging on. They know that this game is going to be a good one.
Yes.
Oh, that was one as far at the top. De Leon pouncing on that one.
And you like that. Why? Because you have Remy Palma, the very tall Remy Palma in front of her. And De Leon using the angle to get that point.
That's Palma on your screen. Serve. Palma, too close to the net. Gagawa ng paraan. Pinaas ni Rhea. Win it ni De Leon. Buhay pa! Kapos!
Pons trying to save that. No go. USC gets the point.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Boy was a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League. In the meantime, still with the serve.
Nela Tunay. Oh, nice serve.
Captain of the team. Just such a fighter in the game against Amy. Just ran out of steam in the end. Oh! Lastimosa.
On that open hit, Lastimosa scoring one. And look at this wind-up. Alam mo na approach pa lang. Ganda ng palo.
Napatambling tuloy si Agnoron. 6'5", lamang ang uste. Isang lakad lang ito. Distansya ng dalawang ito. Pwera ang Commonwealth Campus ng FPU. Pwera yun. In the air we go.
Agno taking that well.
Back row. Oh, dig. Yes. Oh, alive. No whistle. Leon Palma. Hits it down. Rhea Tinas. Sa kabilang panig. Bukas to. Tuwa si Agno. Buhay ka pa. Bang! Out!
That goes out from the back row. Sana yun, from FEU.
But from the coach's perspective, he likes that because the rally was long.
Correct.
The players went for it, so nothing lost in that sequence. Tunay. Agno.
Oh, solid block from Jesse De Leon and Pam Lastimosa.
During the technical timeout, that is such an accurate report from Ivy Rebilla. You can see the buoyancy, yung pagkabibo ng dalawang kupunan. Despite the fact that 959 Carmela Tunay has just bought a condominium on that side of the floor.
Nagtatagal na talaga din sa area na yun. And UST now with 6 attack points. FEU having 3.
Pasa spike still in play. Ganda ng mga puto ng FEU, ha?
Oh!
Touch pass by Laure.
That was going to sail out already, pero last minute touch there by Laure.
Watch this, huh?
Look at that. Taas yung bola eh.
6'9". They have Palma serving.
Kasi hindi pa naman siya legit na college, di ba? Baby pa kami.
And suddenly I was teaching Eddie Laure.
Baby, pero 23 points on her first game.
Sabi nga kay Eddie Laure sa labas. Nagawa mo na. Then I made the connection. Ano mo yung Laure na naglaro ka? Anak mo, no?
Tagabit-bit na lang ng bag.
Si Eddie was been around also.
Oh, yeah. One of the nicest guys.
Yes, indeed. And that went...
It's the PBA.
Oh, that's just out. Because of the official ball of the Shakey's feeling, the genes of the athletes just going in a variety of directions. You tell,
Dennis.
yeah, you're telling your husband you have no contribution. Third and the keeper. You have none. None at all.
Diba yung mga patrimonyo sa man? Dennis.
Oh, in the meantime, Kasugod. Well, it started with an awkward position coming from Agno and just mishandled. 7-11, 11-7. De Leon will be serving for 11. UST is in front by 4.
Jesse De Leon to serve for UST.
Oh boy, this is such a young UST squad compared to previous years, really. Onslaught in the air.
That was really close. Oh, ay nako. Kaya nga maraming natutuwa sa kanya pag naglalaro siya. Bridge.
You know guys, with all the dami namin terminology ginagamit, it's really just a simple game. Keep the ball in play. Give your spikers an opportunity to score. Agno doing exactly. Papa to Pons. Drops on email and it did not bounce back.
And a campfire on the side of UST. Nakatayo lang silang lahat doon. Tinitingnan yung bola. Ayan na naman.
Si Pons hindi lang tama raw. Ninja! Umiri pa.
Nakakatawa na. You appreciate
I love it when they fly. Di Makulangan. Nice Meneses checking the horizon. And mess up with anything except with the headband. I love it. Ina Papa is such an energetic center for FEU. She's a bundle of nerves. In other words, magulo siya.
All over the place.
Ay,
yan ang gusto mo. Kailangan ng ang setter mabilis.
Maliksi. Second ball toss. Magagalit si Ina. And yes, second ball now toss. Good set.
Yes, that's right.
Good set.
And Dawson replying to that beautiful set of Papa.
Magandang set talaga. Kadalasan good things happen. Look.
Sa pag-spiker ka, gusto mong bigyan ng ano eh, ng justice yung binigay sa'yo ng setter mo.
Isang araw, si Zihar Basso kasama natin, si Abogada. Pinaas. Palma, hakaw, pinaas ulit. Papa says, tabi. Oh, lakas lang. You know, we're making new stars here this season of the Shakey's League. You know, I feel my age. There was a time when Rachel Andakis was one in FEU.
Yeah, really, no, that started it all. You have sila Michelle Datuin.
Oh, yes, sir.
You had,
yes,
diba, sila Sha Soriano. Yan eh, yan yung nagsimula ng lahat. And then, even the people before them, si King Balse,
Huwag ka na lumayo. Isang kasama natin dito.
no, sila Ivy.
Pasas will give a free ball. Easy does it. Tundalde. Set up. Ay.
Masyadong binipik into the net. Was that
Sa ilalim kinuha.
Howard did?
Alangan hindi yung set. And si Rhea is one of the most poised centers. Ako nagbigay ng signal, simple lang. Sigaw na si Zach. Si Remy. Oh, well done.
And Rhea Menendez with a stare down after that hit.
And the look. Long way since then. But such a joy to be part of this. In the meantime, Papa says, oh, we did something wrong there.
Palma locked once again.
Mas bibo itong si Papa kesa kay Giselle. Not that Giselle was also a star, but Papa is a different leader. Higa.
At ang ganda ng kamay din. Yung pitik. Yung pitik ng daliri.
Rhea, soft touch. Tinaas na isang kamay, hindi makuha.
And Carmela Tunay looking at the other side, seeing that nobody was there.
I think that was the best move that Agna could come up with. Really, under the circumstances. She could have dove in forward with two hands, actually. But under the circumstances, easier said than done. Best effort, really. Oh, back row hit. Tinaas. Pasas. Luzon.
Pasas getting that through.
These are really the premier rivals of the collegiate leagues. Huh? Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Na lambo kung nasa ng Shakey's sa may UST at sa tabi ng FU. Tunay. Agno, galing. Inulit ni Papa. Pinas. Putuhan.
Yes,
Putuhan!
you like that. Ang lalakas ng palo, pero the dicks are there.
Yeah.
You like it. You see it in both teams.
Ano to? Putuhan eh. And Mac Hipuelos, our voiceover here, Coach also, she was telling me, but this term may have come from the legend na ito, that some players will say, ang lambot, puto ko to. Parang puto baga. Sayang, hindi na ako na FPU, but UST is in charge of the first set, 19-12. You know, Audrey Bamon is just long. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner. The shake is just long.
Papunta na tayo dyan sa mga fingers.
Just long. The minute FPU becomes ahead, iba na yung coaching ni Audrey. Papa. Pons. Kumakulangan. Lalayon.
Try, so 100% ko itong si Jessie De Leon sa kabila. Sa side ng UST.
Wearing number 15 and she's working very hard so far. It's been in the right place, the right moment. In the air, nag-agawan ng bola ang Uste. Samantala sa kabilang panik, Lastimosa Coel. De Leon keeping it in play. Make that, that's a push. That's a push.
It's a lifting violation called against Jessie De Leon.
You know, here in volleyball, it's easy to detect. You just shout, hoy! Hoy!
Bawal yan!
Hoy! Kuminsan, depende sa degree of difficulty yung hoy. Hoy! Yan, natin mo.
Kala ko sabi mo, depende kung sino nagsasabi.
Depende na ngayon yan. Kasi kay Parley Tupas, wala kang maririnig. Uy, si OG, Arthur pala.
Lagot ka.
Lagot.
May isa ka na naman din-divulge. Pero ka na naman eh.
Bistuhan ng totoong pangalan dito eh. And suddenly, if you can't get their bearings going here in this opening set, UST is in charge. Lastimosa. Some reception problems for FPU. pitik yung alin.
And look at the effort of FEU again, but giving a free ball to UST.
Oh, De Leon. 5 of 6 is not bad.
De Leon with an angle. Getting that point once again. Mapapansin mo ang effective na middle hitter talaga yung humihiga kanan-kaliwa.
Yes,
Kanan-kaliwa.
that's a great observation. Papa telling Kasugan ready. But she goes the other direction. Goes to boxes instead. De Leon. She's the favorite right now. Red de Maculango. Hello, what's happening?
Ball.
Too many gifts being given away. Cargado by Laure. Hindi niya gusto. Sumimangot. Punta kay Basas. Pinalo. Pinas pa rin ni De Leon. Balik kay Laure.
Oh, and caught the line. What a nice cross-court hit from EJ Laure.
Layo mo ng konti yung toss. Yung rookie, sinasabihin
Kasi,
niya veterana.
ang layo na ng gap nitong si Rhea and si EJ. So, halos obviously
Ate.
magkakilala naman. Magkaate. But yung sa laro, ngayon pa lang sila nagkakakilanlan.
And the setter eventually develops parang a notebook in her head. Ito gusto ganito.
Yes.
Ito gusto ganito. Ito ayaw ng ganyan.
Yun ang dapat sa isang setter.
Yes. Not an easy job. You get the brunt of the criticism and you don't get enough honor and respect for it. But that's the job. In the meantime, USD clean takeaway. Watch this. Our shake is shake and play. Second set coming your way.
Nandun naman yung players and they're very active inside. It's just maybe dahil may mga bago or hindi pa sila masyado nag-gel together, kaya nangyari yun sa first set. Let's see if they're able to adjust here in this second set. So far, ang UST, De Leon with 7 points, Laure with 5, Pons Bernadette with 4, Basas with 2.
Dusaran is the libero of UST, and UST, after Red and Maculangan missed their serve, they lose out in this exchange.
That was a solid block coming from FEU.
And Tunay couldn't enter, all dressed up, nowhere to go. In the meantime, si Papa ang magsaserve. Si Ina Papa. Ina Luis.
Pakistan niya yung pangalan.
Yes.
Oh, but Laure getting that through.
The joy of the women's game. Napaka-fierce.
Tapos biglang natawa.
Biglang iikot. Biglang tatapos. I do not understand. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's Feeling.
That's why we are complicated.
Yes. Do not try. The joy of life is continuing to try to understand.
Yun.
Yeah,
Too much analysis. Too much.
Tanggap na lang na tanggap.
That's the easier way.
Yeah, I know this. Laura and Mr. Reminder, Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Papa.
Double quick. They're coming from FEU and they take that point.
That new player on the floor, this is Marie Charlemagne Simborio. Palasa ng lineup na to, this is siya. Tinakas. Pinulak ni Espinosa, wala nang pupuntahan.
That was close to the net. Yung trajectory ng bola, medyo mahirap for Pamela Stimosa. Just trying to adjust.
And Dusaran ended up apologizing as well. 4-2. FEU jumping out of the gate, capitalizing on some miscues by the Golden Tigresses, which just pile up. Is Oji Mamon gonna call a timeout sooner or later? But no, he stands up muna. Usap kayo.
Yun kasi second ball. So, si Rhea was trying to run after that ball, pero it was closer to Pamela Stimosa, who was the spiker.
Top set. Nagawa ng paraan. Ipang.
Left hand tip for Pamela Stimosa.
De Leon darts in. Dusaran slides out. Kailan umiikot, lumaalis ng libero. Pag nagro-rotate na, papunta na siyang front
Yung
line.
front line, yeah. Kasi hindi nga siya pwede sa front line. Wala naman siyang tulong doon.
At saka bawal siya matake. In the meantime, UST 2 straight points.
The Leon returning that tip of Pasas.
Let's go with Menezes. Finding diagonal serve there. Oh, Kasugod.
Kasugod. Great angle on that quick hit. Kahit tuloy hindi masyadong malakas, diba, effective pa rin siya. Kasi nga yung angulo, naiiwasan yung blocker.
And it comes with practicing. Kailangan may bumablock lagi. Ha? Samantala, this serve by Pasas is in play. Ni-reverse ni Rhea. Kinargahan ni Carmela. Regalo, pero hindi. Sabi ni Papa, ba't ako nandito? Dinikdik.
And Tunay getting that point with the help of the net.
Watch how Carmela hammers this. But you know, you gotta have the deftness and the agility of a diver to avoid the net. Really impressed.
Yun siya yung talon mo na yung, from your approach, pa-forward yung approach mo, tapos kailangan yung jump mo vertical
Yes,
lang.
at saka
That's
yung
very
preno mo.
hard. Oh.
That's
Body
the
control yan eh.
Oh, yes, it did. Tinaas ni Simborio. Ginawa ng paraan ni Ina Papa. Tinaas ni Rhea. Lastimosa, brings it over.
Oh, but it's out.
Kaya na.
Just a little bit out.
And Ojimamon is on Pam's case.
Yung ayaw kasi ng coach talaga yung hulog ng hulog. Pwede mo yung gawin paminsan-minsan. Pero, mas gusto nila yung paluin yung bola.
And so, and that Pam is read now by the defense. And
Boy, match.
Okay, add me now on Facebook,
At home na lang?
Twitter, chat,
We're chatting now.
what?
Hey! Baby girl! Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Bye.
Make your move with SmartNet. At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Dito sa silangan, ako.
ay Remulla at ang kanyang ulam.
At the start of the second set, Coach Shaq actually challenged the Lady Tamaraws. He said that if in order for you to win, you should want to win. And sabi rin niya na they should be aware of the movements of their opponents. Kailangan alam nila ang posisyon so they know how to counter them. Communication is also important para hindi masayang ang mga pagkakataon nila para makapuntos. He also reminded the girls to read the attackers para alam nila kung saan sila pupwesto. Back to you guys.
That is so accurate, Ivy, and mostly because in the first set, it's not just the number of attack points that worked in favor of UST. FE was most of the time out of position. It's in the air, and it's bobbled.
UST point. Demakulangan Rhea with 18 excellent sets so far. And Papa, Ina Luis, having 11.
Watch how this just comes unglued. Akala.
Yun na naman eh. Yung tinginan nasa mata eh. Hindi sa bola.
Second ball toss.
Their eyes off the ball.
It's a simple dancer. Mikasa. Ang Mikasa second ball. Official ball ng Jenkins Philly. Tosser.
Oh, and Lastimosa sends it into the net. So far, UST with 3 attack points, FEU with 2.
You know what I've always liked about Pamela Espinosa is, it's okay, bad serve. Oh,
Yep.
pagagalitan na. Then, back to the game. Points,
Ganun naman
points
dapat.
all the way. Laure. Medyo markado si Laure ngayon. Lakas naman!
Bernadette Pons on that cross-court hit. Too much even for Dancel Busaran.
Look at this. The female ninja. Lady Ninja. Yun mas maganda. The Lady Ninja. Mukhang out. Wala na, commitment. Larong ito, larong commitment eh. Hulog. Nice coverage. Busaran. Laure. Hulog.
She took it well. She was going down already.
That's not her shot yet. There's a side out pwede.
Move on ka agad-agad.
Nice pick up that time by Lastimosa.
Good job by Pamela Simosa, but Laure sending it long on that open hit.
First time I've noticed the nice socks of the USD players. This is so tiger-like. Grrr. They look longer than they already are. Nice set. De Leon foiled. Recycle. Dump. Papa.
And look at Coach Shaq really instructing the girls point per point. But De Leon taking that away.
She is their warrior today. Just scoring. She's probably now about 7 or 8 points already. This teamwork between Oji Maman and Coach Billet is just fun to watch. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's Freely. Parang tagatanggap lang ng jokes talaga to si Billet. She's a head coach in her own right, huh?
Yes, she used to coach yung Ika. During the time, nandun pa si Gretchen Honon.
And of course, Gretchen had an interesting story. Was not recruited by Ateneo. Walked in, tried out, just wanted to play. And in the meantime, that's too long. Si Oji, pag nag-serve siya na sermon, equal yun. Parang siyang nagsiserve ng batter sa coast. Pantay na pantay. What do I mean? He dishes it out to everybody. Whether you're a veteran, rookie, whatever. Laure.
Basa. Getting that cross-court. Ang ganda eh. Hindi nga cross-court mid-hit. Gitnang-gitna. Ang ganda ng angulo from the top. Beautiful.
Aside from the players, the coaching today is just so at such a high level. I love the way the coaches are working today. They're earning their keep here today. 9-14. Laure. Out.
That was an off-the-block point for EJ Laure.
Currently at 10-14. First set was taken by UST. The rare mishandling of the volleyball by FEU in this set.
Because si Rhea naging, if I'm not mistaken, best server na rin to at one time.
Just so poised. There are setters na nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan. There are those who are joyful to watch because they're a bundle of energy like Ina Papa. While Rhea Mulangan, on the other hand, it's like walking on ice with Rhea.
This time, Basa's going wide on that attack. Slowly, UST catching up. 2 points down na lang sila dito.
Kaya nasabi ni Jesse De Leon kanina, isa-isa. Agno. Back row hit. Lakas. Wala. It is.
Yes, she was from the back row. Back row kasi si Rhea de Maculangan.
minsan nakakalimutan ng player.
Katulad nun, in that last play, ang taas sobrang bola, wala naman na siyang magagawa
Oo.
dyan eh. Kundi, wala, to attempt that.
And USD is just out of sorts and out of place in the second set. FEU is a... Ano sinasabi mo? But,
At dahil sa magagandang words na yun, pengi naman isang slice.
Salam. This is a good one. Glad you're with us here on GMA News TV. And that's just going out. And what is USD not doing correctly here, Mosey?
For one, ang daming errors dito sa set na to. Number two, they were not as feisty or as active
Good point, yes.
in the first set. Like that, an error na naman. So, Palma just taking it.
This is what...
Parang nagkaka-personal na dito yung ating
middle hit.
pinag-usapan sa pre-game.
Talo eh.
Yan, oh.
Hindi sinasabi ng mga coaches, yan ang inaantay ng volleyball player eh. Totoo naman.
Oo, totoo. Tayo, di ba, pag naglalaro ka, parang sana mabigyan ka ng regalo.
Ang laki-laki ng bola. Laure hammering that. Palma huli. Papa sabi ganito yan. Laure, gumapang ang bola. Pinaas ni Gusaran. Laure recycling. Pinaas ni Papa ulit. Sige, hanggang bukas kayo dyan. Okay lang.
Long rally and Laure going down the line. But you know,
Labas.
punk of this girl.
Yes.
Yung risk taker at a very young age. Diba? Talagang kinukuha yung mga linya. Kanina doon sa kabila. Pinalik din sa kabila. At Trisha Santos comes in for Laure.
And Laura will sit down beside Coach Gillette and Coach Ojimana.
Just a lot of time
A little
to
seasoning.
learn.
Little
Yeah.
seasoning. Lima kulangan. Tunay!
Oh, that's too much. Too much angle and no spin.
Flat. 2012. I like that piece of coaching from Ojimama. It's all in the brain. It's all in the head. They're stupor. They're in a funk right now. Papa, however, take nothing away from FEU playing so sharply here. And that's a bad set.
Yes, and you can see that FEU, seeing that the UST is in this array,
This array is the
they
right word.
are pouncing at them. Yung hindi man nagbibigay, no let up, alam na nila na sila yung nasa advantage
Yep,
ngayon.
I agree.
Hindi nila pinapalik yung momentum sa UST so far.
Except in that case wherein the serve goes out of hand.
Well, so far, UST 6 at that point, FEU with 4.
Shakey's from Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Sabi sa inyo, basta Shakey's. Pati yung brand sa UST at yung brand sa FEU, alam ko kung nasaan.
Oh, but Trisha Santos standing at very long.
Alam niyo sa FEU, nasa kanto mismo ng right field.
Memorize mo. Parang may sinusundo ka na.
Ang parents ko kasi nagtrabaho sa FEU. Parents sa FEU, tapos inuutusan ako pumunta sa UST. Nilalakad ko.
So meron ka munang ano.
Alam ko yung mga kainan, alam ko. 22-14.
Lastimosa on the open hit.
Shaq giving Remy Palma some hands-on instruction. Sharp ni Direct today. Huli lahat. Regalo!
Mela Tunay not wasting that, going for a power tip. Well, that's Del Dusaran now 6-6 in this game. Agno having 1.
Let's go with Meneses. Papa. Alanganing Basas. Yan, Cargado.
Oh, Carmela Tunay getting the point.
Meneses.
Oh, nice floater.
Tumutang. Hulog. Ganda.
Kitang-kita
Oo.
natin, walang katao-tao after the blockers of UST.
Simborio finding a donut. Atienza comes in for Basas on the FEU side. Kita mo yung donut. Hulog. Yung nga yung corona. donut ako.
Gusto ko siya lang ng konti, pero ako rin parang donut na rin. At kape.
Yeah.
Pulis lang ang dating. Cup na cup.
Up! Tinaas ni De Leon. Cargado! Hey, wala, commitment yun eh.
Yeah.
Huli ka! Huli ka!
Bonds was well read that time by USC. Ang ganda pa naman ng approach ni Bonds. Pero diretso sa mga blockers ng USC.
Huli Ninja. 17-23. Ito naman nasarap sa rally point. A chance to score on every opportunity. Tunay. But don't waste your serve. That's critical. Well done. Linis naman. Bumawi.
Going down the line. Agad-agad bumawi.
Shuffling of the lineup by Oji Mamon. Cortez comes in for Di Maculangan. Cabanos for Carmela Tunay. Sometimes the way the team rotates necessitates these changes.
Yes, now Coach Oji wants a full front line.
You have to be ready all the time. Cortez got them to go.
Instant point coming from Cortez.
It is already 24-18. USC trying to stall FEU. Lastimosa. Papa. Ginawa ng paraan.
Cortez again with a push.
That strategy, it was a breather of a timeout, ano?
Yes. Ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Shaq, masyadong dikit sa net, nahihirapan si Bonds. Ibigay mo ng medyo malayo para makita niya yung blockers, may angle niya yung palo
Ay, ibihis,
niya.
no? Yung sabi ni Shaq. Tama nga naman. Let's work with the serve of Pamela Lastimosa. Papa.
Yun
Wow.
ang sinasabi ni Coach
Hindi
Shaq.
done. Wherever you are to enjoy this game, Shakey's Shake and Play will bring us out of the second set. We're tied in the number of sets.
Hindi na nila binigyan pa ng tsansa ang USD na magkaroon ng momentum ulit. They really took that set. Although in the end, medyo mahabol-habol lang konti ang USD. Pero you can feel that the FEU was really in control.
Meneses is just an interesting character for USD. She's about to taunt you, but she checks herself, turns around, and laughs her heart out.
Parang may pinagpanahan na. Kilala ko yung medyo mapang-asar na ganyan eh.
Kilala
Oo.
akong ganyan. In the meantime, Papa, you know, that's a great point you made. 12 points na lang i-score rin ng FEU doon kanina, no? But the errors just compounding. Oh, interesting. Ding.
Oh!
Hello, what? Alam ko papaluin ni Palma?
Ang dami masyadong naisip.
Oh, actually. Ngayon, palo to. Ay, walang kanin. Basas. Long rally. Di Maculangan. Agnos played well.
Yes. So steady for Coach Shaq.
Nice pick up. Ay, ba?
Pati si Agno nakikipalo na rin.
Pati error masaya.
Rhea not making that last hit. So FEU takes that point.
Pero sabi ni Shaq, gulo nyo.
Gulo nga. USD. At alam mo yun doon sa previous set, parehong teams naman, hindi nakagawa ng ganun kadaming attacks.
Yes,
USD
I
with
agree.
10, FEU with 8.
Daming mea culpa, daming error.
Ay, yun lang errors talaga ng USD.
Nice roll. Check ball. Yes. Check ball. Saka FEU playing better, huh? Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be shaky.
Sa second set, nag-iba yung tempo sa loob ng court ng FEU. Lalo na nung si Coach Shaq, ayan yung instructions niya, tuloy-tuloy dun sa mga girls.
Energy ang diferensya. And diferensya nag-improve.
Yes.
By speed of bounce. And Simborio has been a game changer for them. Simborio at the final point earlier. Watch how she makes this off-speed adjustment in the air.
Well, De Leon now with 11 points. Laura with 7. On the other side, it's Palma with 6 and Ponce with 7.
Let's go with Palma serve.
Oh, ganda.
Lastimosa. Here's Laura.
Oh, that's too long. Not enough spin.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's Feeling. This is a conference where we'll have a lot of new stars. This
Yes.
is lalabas yung mga bagong
Tama
stars.
ka dyan.
Dana Henson, si Laure, Ponce, some new stars coming up. Kasugod, touched it.
Last minute pick up there by Kasugod.
Sa ulo
Your
tumama.
reflex action.
UST behind though by 2. In play. Agnes everywhere. To Saran as well.
That was a high tip.
Kasugod. Di makulangan.
Oh, and
Namatay
Cortez
na
gets it
lang.
to go. Using the blockers of FEU. Minsan yan yung mahirap, yung parang paintball na hindi mo nakikita kung nasa na yung bola.
This crowd enjoying the 2 games we've had earlier today after they were winning in straight sets of
Oh, that's
SW.
close to the net. But
they still
yes,
score it.
the flying Simborio able to take that point.
That sounds like a trapeze act, no? The flying Simborio. In the meantime, Malabanan, one of their veterans now already.
Well, Malabanan, I think, galing sa States to na last year ginawa rin nilang guest player.
Ganun ba yan?
May sister ba yan We will ask later.
Alanganin itong set na to. Alanganin. 6-3 FPU in the last 2 sets. Just playing heads up volleyball here. Lion Tiger Mosquito Floyd is a proud partner of the Shakey's Relay.
And ibang-iba yung kilos, di ba, Sir? Mula nung first set, ibang-iba yung nung nag-second set na.
May salbog Iba yung...
Very active. Especially in defense, napansin mo nga. Ayan, another big from Ponce, but a violation called again. FEU, a double touch.
Excuse me, nagpapaparang ayos na yan!
Kailangan na center mo, ganyan, yung astigit.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi para they're in control.
Ponce. Huli.
Nice cross-court hit. Cortez. Ganda ng bunot ni Coach Osi Cortez.
(6-5) or 5-6 from the perspective of the server. Nice quick. Taas mong Mayos. Alam mo, FEU, their confidence changed na. Nagbago yung simoy ng laro
Ibang-iba yung parang mas naging active. Yung first set, slow. Very slow. Just
parang may mabigat ang
mabigat.
Ngayon, suddenly, nawala yung kung ano man yung ginakarga nila. Nalipat sa UST, actually. Ponce.
Agno taking that very powerful hit by Lastimosa.
Nicely done.
Lastimosa taking the point on the next try. Alam mo, nahihirap nahihirapan naman si Laurent, sila Stimosa, kasi bantay na bantay ang open hit. Pareho sila eh.
Good point, yes.
Kanina pa bantay silang dalawa.
And I've noticed biglang nawala yung mga kombinasyon ng USD. And, you know, when they lost Micah, Ortiz, and nawala yung mga running plays nila. Ito, kombinasyon. Pinaas ni Cortez. Laure, Lusaran. Binago si Pons. Dulo daw. Kasi long yan. Sakto.
Oh,
Sakto.
right on the in the corner of FEU's court.
Sinabi ni Shaq no?
Oh, hindi na kasi may ibibigay sa quick yun or sa gitna. So obviously talagang sa open hit na ibibigay. So dapat yun yung sinasabi natin sa mga blockers. Dapat na iintindihan na nila na mas malamang doon na. So doon na nakaabang dapat sa open.
Ooh, Papa had to make a major adjustment. Ball falls back to USD. Pinaas ni Simborio. Kami dyan, sabi ni Ina. Ano ba kayo?
And Bond, off speed, takes the... Pa rin kasi before, parang spiker ito eh. Hindi
Converted
naman tong setter. So, pwede siya maging Wendy Simana talaga. Dahil si Wendy, minsan kino-convert din eh.
Yes.
Na spiker, pag kailangan.
Si Papa yung smile niya. Talagang, uy, sayang yung save ni Cortez. Nakatalikod kasi yung front line ng USD.
Well, USD 11 received so far. FEU with 12 excellent receives.
Rhea, di makulangan apologizing to the bench. You, baka, ako malipit ko.
Ganda ng reception nitong dalawang squads. Kahit hindi.
Yes, yes.
Ganda eh. Hindi. That's another one.
Putuhan ng putuhan eh. Basas. Hammers it down.
Oh, and De Leon with hang time. Nicely done. Tignan nyo naman yung beaten ni De Leon, no? Bumitin pa.
Sabi niya doon sa mga kakampi niya, thank you, thank you, thank you. Huwag niyo guguluhin yung buhok ko. Ang hirap ayusin yan. Huwag kayong magulo. 10 apiece. And I told you these were the rivals. Tusok yan.
FEU taking that last point.
The girls are wondering, and this is nice coaching. They scored the point and Shaq has other concerns.
And I think yung transition of defense to offense, kasi tama yun sa volleyball, kailangan mabilis. Hindi pwedeng nanonood. Exactly yung word nga ni Coach Shaq na
huwag kayo mag-celebrate muna. Hindi pa patay yung bola nun eh. Estimosa to Laurent. Out of it.
Tagal na sinisigaw ni Coach Shaq, dulo, kasi nga hindi na maganda yung masyadong naiabot kay Rhea yung bola.
Dalawang coach lang, busog na ako eh. Sa dalawang coach lang, busog na ako. Parang pitong naglalaro eh. Papa, uy, kombinasyon. Retoke. Huli. Ay!
And Palma, a bit of hesitation on her part on what to do. Kanina pa yun pangalawa ng
pangalawang
na nangyari kay Palma.
Hello moment niya. Ati ha? Eto ha? Asisa? Apo? Ayaw! And yeah, she has this baby-like smile.
Yes.
You can't blame her completely. It's a close third set, 12-11. Agno steady. Basas. So is Lusaran on the other side. Meneses.
Oh, it's not enough juice on that off speed by Pons.
I think, and I'm speculating, pumasok sa ulo niya, am I a back row player? Should I hit it so hard? Should I?
Masyadong madami.
Too much to think of.
Sabi mo nga, ang volleyball ay simple lamang.
It's a commitment game. Like Simborio.
Oh, there you go. Meneses a little bit late for that block.
Don't forget, FU won their first assignment against San Sebastian. 4-set victory.
Oh, nicely done. Remy Palma with an ace.
UST, of course, does not want to fall into a second straight setback. They lost a heartbreaker to National View. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. No question. Alma. The Makulangan. Laura. Hello.
Laura with a power tip.
And Laura took a Facebook shot of the other side as they were looking for the ball. Watch this, huh? Laura.
Parang tatay niya, tinang yung bola eh.
Tinang yung bola.
Mana sa tatay.
Yes, daughter of Eddie Laura, the basketball player. Ganda ng jeans ang nanay.
Oo.
Doon nakuha yung athletic skills. I'm saying yun. Yung mga basketball player, manigas silang lahat. What in all?
Parang hindi kasali.
Hindi kasali. Ravena. Ganda ng jeans mo. Nagalit sa nanay. Ano? Walang silbi.
Lahat na hindi maganda kay Bong. Lahat na maganda sa akin. Ganun
Okay.
lang ang hatian.
Okay.
Simple lang.
Very simple. 15-14.
Pasas on the line to serve for FEU.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Court is a proud partner of Shakey's B-League. Combination.
Cortez!
Yes!
Getting the corner! Ito yung simpleng volleyball. Ito
Ayan.
kasi halos from scratch ito tinuruan.
Tanto, butas.
We are now tied.
Into the air we go.
Oh, that's going to be wide for Simborio.
Good. Kept in play by Basas sa kabilang panig, Simborio. Hello.
Oh, with a free ball given to FEU. How will they use it? They use it so well. Points on the combination play.
This is such a different FU. This is a rejuvenated FU team compared to the one we probably saw tulon ng last year when they couldn't win a
yes.
game in the Shakey's B-League. Sinagalang nila, no? Then played in the UAAP and, boy, just an interesting change. Free ball. Putuhan eh.
Gaganda ng mga digs.
Oh.
Oh, and Cortez off the block hit.
Coach Shaq said, that's okay. At least there was a block.
Ang gusto mo lang naman makita yung execution ng offense mo at saka yung depensa mo.
You know what the crowd is enjoying? It's almost like a Bradley Pacquiao fight. Kung sumusuntok, naghatawan yung isa.
Oh, ang gaganda ng palo. Pero mas magaganda yung digs.
Yung depensa ang maganda rito sa larong ito. Tinaas. De Leon. Speed ng konti. Adjust. Papa. Hello. Malabanan. Too much juice naman.
Trying to go for a check, but no goal.
Timeout requested by the Lady Tamaraws.
Si Lumer Pajarillo na yung sa sinabi ni Coach Shaq, natignan yung mga net. Parang feeling niya siguro may mga net violations dapat na tinatawag sa UST.
And the captain is the only one that can address the official. This is such an orderly sport. De Leon.
Doon nagamit ni De Leon yung hang time niya. Nag-stay pa si De Leon in the air. Tignan mo yung katabi ni De Leon. Pababa na pero nandun pa siya. Got that block.
On the other side, I know why Shaq is disappointed kasi hindi pinalo.
Yes, ng malakas.
Na pwede naman baka matangay niya si De Leon. Not because of the frame, but because of the power of the shot. Simborio. Oh, even Cortez has nice digs. Nice block. The defense has been the thing in this game. Oh!
And Pam Lastimosa on and down the line hit.
Coach is hard at work. That's the best this afternoon, and I thought, Ojima, you had the best one. Diba?
See, I told you.
By the way, from the country's premier volleyball league, Shakey's Feeling, where it all started, the extensive 5-day training camp for all girls ages 9 to 16. Registration starts today, April 6 to 30, 20 to 14, in selected Shakey's Metro Manila stores. Venue will be at the Loyola Heights campus of the Ateneo. In the meantime, back to this one. Pons drops it inside, 21-16. Agno! Simborio. Napapatrabaho yung mga backline, eh. Agno!
Ganda naman ng palo at mga tips ng dalawang koponan. As Lastimosa penetrates the blockers of FEU. It's this last play.
You know, if you were looking for a libero, you may be interested in Agno. No? If you were to form a team, you'd get somebody named Agno.
Naging very steady na yung paglilibero ni Agno dito for Coach Shaq. Oh, another free ball given to UST.
Tinaas ni Basas. Pons, cracks it in.
Pons, great angle on that open hit.
Checking the scoreboard, Bernadette Pons just saw 22 to 17. Let's go with Malabanan. Just nicking the net. Joust. Bakbakan. Hello! Hindi pa tapos ang punto. Back row connection. Bagsak!
Ganda ng labanan. Itong dalawang koponan na punong-puno ng volleyball history.
Sobra. Ano sabi mo kanina? 29?
29 yung isa, 14 yung isa. Pero 1 and 2 na yan. Yan yung 1 and 2.
And then they're going to this transition as teams that that's inside that they used to beat like Ateneo and LaSalle are now
LaSalle has 8.
nag-shift na yung konti yung landscape.
Of course, Ateneo winning their first.
Ever. Adamson has not won the year.
Yes. Sa lakas ng Adamson every year.
There was a year, Mommy, it was so close.
Almost, yes. Sa final.
Oh,
but Laure.
Oh.
Another cross-court hit. Scores one for UST.
Eddie Laure must be singing, "Is this the little girl I carried?"
Meron pang kapatid yan. Napakagaling naman din na center. First year high school pa lang.
When you grow up with sports in your family, something special is bound to happen.
And then, iba yung feeling if you love it.
Yeah.
It's easy to play any sport, but to love.
Left to right, one side to the other. This is a good one. Keep it here. Shake and play. Takes us out. And brings us to that moment when we wait for the fourth.
Single block for FEU. Tignan na naman natin kasi imagine from 13, kaya naman pala ng 2. Diba? Ang FEU naman, the first set, napaka-slow. Yung pala, pwede naman i-turn on. Diba? Doon sa second set, ibang-iba naman ang nilaro.
So FEU trying to extend this to one more. Oh, boy. Nicely done. Parang nag-gel na ang UST.
And that was above the blockers of FAU.
You know, they're getting dividends from players you least expected it. Jesse De Leon, for instance.
Correct.
Cortez, for instance.
And ang maganda doon, dapat i-maximize yung height, diba?
Exactly. Shakey's. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Oh, boy. Parang alawaan sa pader ito. Binaas.
Oh, still playable.
Yep. Hindi pa patay. Okay, nakasimbangot.
Ang hirap kumuha ng puntos dito sa dalawang to. Well, talking about Jesse De Leon. Jesse so far has 13 points. Laure with 11. Pons Bernadette with 12. Simborio with 8.
USC jumping out of the starting gate. 2-0 here. leading in the number of sets. Nag-alternate po sa sets ito. First set was taken by USA. Nearly adjusted. Hindi na complete. Rhea de Maculangan keeps it in play. Dinaas ni Papa. Hello! Down.
Yes.
That's a hard call to make up for the referees. Yan, kung bumagsak na yung bola.
Correct.
Hindi.
That's true. Lalo na yung saktong-sakto lang.
Tama.
Pero minsan na pancake. Pero
Pancake.
nakikita nila yan dun sa bounce ng bola.
Ah.
Minsan, pag pancake kasi talaga, pataas yung bounce ng bola, hindi siya yung trajectory niya, hindi pa forward.
Dililihis.
Yes.
Okay, good point. Laure.
Oh.
Off the block.
The block point from the young Laure.
I like the name. Energy. Parang hindi siya mauubusan ng energy. Ever.
And ever.
But Eddie Laure is that kind of player. Not that practice. Probably galing sa resistance. In the meantime, Cortez, Laure, Meneses, better support coverage by USP. Agno, doing everything really.
And Pons running after that last ball. Ito na naman tayo sa magagandang offense and defense, but poor decision there. Alam niya na eh, paghawak niya pa lang dun sa bola, poor decision ng Papa. Malapit na siya sa net, mababa pa yung pagkakaset niya.
Ako conscious na tuloy si Oji Mamo pagka wala dito.
Nakatawa sa'yo.
Tinitingnan na niya ako. Ginagaya ko
Isip niya,
siya.
ako na naman tinitingnan to, ako na naman.
It's such a joy to watch. He's a great coach. In the meantime, okay, FPU gets it back. Shaq, and you know, when Shaq was coaching USD, he didn't voice operate too much. Eh, ito galing sa team na niya ito eh.
Yes.
Hindi na ito yung tira nung Nes Familiarira eh, no ha? Samantala, alamanan. Rhea. Easy does it. Laura with a big smile. She hates it. She hates it.
But a point is a point.
Feeling niya hindi tusok eh. Ano itong future sa natin?
Ay,
No
wala
question.
namang ano yan. Hindi ako, walang kaduda-duda.
Axel, the official outfielder of the Shakey's League.
Oh, and Agno, look at the effort. Running after that second ball.
Match me second match, and some of the stars of the Shakey's League will be there to coach. Eliza Valdez, Rachel Atlantis, Dintin, John Santiago. Boy, what a lineup. Let's go back to this one.
Oh, Pam Lastimosa going down the line, gets it to go.
You know what I like about this USD team now? Balance. They have attackers from the left and on the right and from the rear as well. Now they don't just rely now, unlike the previous years and the Ortiz years and those years where they had superstar scorers. They have better balance now. They have now balance. There was a time they were groping for balance actually. Don't forget, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's League. Papa trying to light up the fire on her side of the floor. Lastimosa off the stage. Good read.
Good spot. Back to you guys.
Let's see if they, not that this game is lacking in any defensive measures. Both are evasive and defensive.
Pasok.
And Pam Lastimosa, I love it when she tries to shake her head and she's a poised young lady. She doesn't fall apart. Well, she's entitled to. She's young. But hindi. Poised talaga.
Oh, and Pam gets that point off the block. USD now 7 attack points. FEU having only 3.
How cool is Oji Mamon? He can laugh with Energy Laure while this whole game is going on and they have hand signals to each other and they're both smiling and laughing. That is until FEU wakes up here.
Alam mo, kaya napapasmile yan. Silang dalawa, ikaw naman pinag-uusapan nila.
Sige. Bukan nyo.
Lastimosa not getting the point. Instead, FEU now with his 5th point.
Because of the official ball of the Shakey's Village, sinusubukan ni Pamela burahin yung mukha niya na para lang mawala yung stigma ng last play na yun. Buray mukha.
Pero mapapansin natin na si Rhea din has been going to Pam Lastimosa a lot.
This girl I like just right today. This De Leon.
Oh, what a save from FEU.
Absolutely. Recycling the offense. Lastimosa, foil. Kept it play by Di Maculangan. De Leon sets up Lastimosa. Bang!
Oh.
Bang! Bang!
Off speed. Perfect spot.
Oh, FEU falling behind by 5. Watch how Pam does this. In the air.
Nakakailang powerful hits na siya eh. So this time, off speed works well for her.
Ganda ng basa. Walang blocker. Sige. Because takes quickly. Officials are smiling. So nobody is complaining too much, I suppose.
Kanina pa kasi si Pam nauuna palagi dun sa referee eh. Excited lang?
Down ako. Nicely done by Kasugod.
Ito yung medyo naging quiet for Coach
Sobra.
Shaq, si Kasugod. In-expect natin na, siyempre, it's going to be Remy Palma, at si Pons, Bernadette Pons. Pero si Kasugod, nandun din dapat kasali sana dun sa gumagawa ng puntos for Coach Shaq.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil, proud partner of the Shakey's Relay. 6'10".
Oh, rotation error. Rotation error ang tinawag. Sa kabila.
Boy, so you know this call is always like death. You know, have you noticed that?
Correct.
The game, the way it is played, ladies and gentlemen, the refs give you a chance to correct it. They will not tell you what's wrong.